Hello and welcome back. I'm Harry and today we are cooking one of Australia's favourite weeknight dinner, the classic old stir fry. Now this is a very versatile dish. You can choose any protein you like. You can add prawns, chicken, beef or even tofu to it. And when it comes to veggies, well, I'll leave that to your imagination. But today we're going to make our own sauce. So let's get into it. To make the chicken stir fry, you will need chicken, sesame oil, brown sugar, black pepper, zucchini, carrot, red onion, capsicum. I've already removed the core for the capsicum, salt, light soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce. Let's get started with the prep. First I'm going to peel the carrot. I usually do it in one long stroke. You'll find that some people try to do it really fast, but then again, that doesn't really help. You end up wasting too much time. So you're best off just peeling a ribbon from top to bottom. And that's it. Get rid of that. It's done. Cut that through the middle. Peel that off. Take out the tip. Bottom. Today I'm going to cut like this. Then for the carrots, you want to take the top and the bottom part out, and then we're going to cut this. Just make sure you level the carrot a little bit more. So just take a little bit out. See, now it doesn't roll. And then get into it like that. So. And that's it. So the next thing you want to do is you can either leave it as rings like that if you really want big pieces, or you can just cut them into little batons like so. And there you go, that's your stir fry carrots. There you go. So the capsicum, just the skin part, crush it down a little bit. You're going to start from this side because if you go from the other side, the knife usually finds it quite challenging. There you go. Just run the knife through it, and now you've got capsicum. Okay, let's get all the veggies in the bowl here. They're all going to go in together, so just a little helper. But the zucchini, I think I'm only going to use about half of that. So cut that through, down through the middle. Now we're just going to cut that into strips like that. So first, take the tenderloin out. It's gone. Now for the rest of the chicken, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make cut right through the chicken like that. So it's kind of like a butterfly cut. So put your hand down, don't worry, your knife's not going to go through. And there you go, you got two pieces of chicken breast. Now, from there, I can cut this into thin strips. Now for the tenderloin, now you can keep this away and maybe make yourself some chicken satay. Just mount this on a stick, marinate this with the satay paste and get some peanuts on top of it and you're set to go. But I am going to slice this up as well. Now before we start cooking the chicken, I'll share this really cool trick. You know how the chicken comes out really nice and tender as it's got this crunch on the outside? Well, that is thanks to corn flour. So I'm going to dust the chicken with a bit of corn flour, and you want it to get coated nice and evenly without being too sludgy. So just move that about. Ooh, it's spilling all over the place. That's all right. You can always clean that up. But you just want to make sure that your chicken is coated in corn flour. So that's 1 tablespoon of the wine, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, couple of tablespoons of oyster sauce, sugar, and black pepper. Just mix it all up with a stir-fry sauce. Now, because we're doing Chinese style cooking, I will be, I'll pull out my Chinese wok from the dungeon. Now, it was just sitting in the cupboard. But as you can see, this has been fully seasoned, and it just gets to temperature much faster, so it makes cooking a lot easier. I'm also using one of these wooden handle tingers that you've seen in all the Chinese takeaway shops. It just makes moving stuff around a lot easier. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get into it. Just going to give it a quick wipe down. Move that about really quickly. Onions going in, and the carrots first, and the capsicum. In there as well. Boom. There. That is stir fry. And I'm just going to add sesame seeds on top as well. And there you have it, a hot steaming bowl of stir fry. So there you go, guys. That was another super simple weeknight dinner. Remember, this is a really versatile dish. Feel free to swap the proteins and veggies around. If you do use something else, do leave me a comment below and let me know what you used, so we can actually feature that in future recipes. In the meantime, happy cooking. Cheers, guys.